Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is a wooden puzzle board from the brand Coogam that showcases so many different colors and shapes for your little one to learn about.
My favorite thing about this puzzle is how well made it is. The quality is top notch. This puzzle is going to last you a really long time. Not even a toddler can destroy it. It's made out of wood and it does have little wooden knobs on each shape, which makes it really easy for your little one to pick up the pieces and place them where they belong. Eventually, when they start reading, it even tells them what shape it is underneath each piece. There are also many different colors, so your little one can also learn about colors as well as shapes. This puzzle is a must-have for anyone that is starting to teach their little one about shapes and colors.
So, if you're in the market for a fun educational puzzle for your little one that's going to last a really long time, you're going to want to check out this puzzle with shapes and colors from the brand Coogam. Your little one is going to learn so much and also have a great time with this puzzle, and that's my point of view.